Hey everybody, we all know that a KitchenAid is great for baking and making desserts, but one of the things that I use mine for is making compound butter. This is a KitchenAid hack from Carla Hall. I love butter. I also love compound butters. And what is compound butter? It is a flavored butter. It is a butter that you can make, put it in the freezer, pull it out when you need that flavor bomb. So today I am doing a garlic tarragon butter. Does that sound good? It sure does, but you know what? You can make any flavor you want. So I have some softened butter, a whole stick. It goes into my mixer. And then I'm going to add some garlic, minced. Lemon juice, why? Because we need a little bit of acid. Salt, because why? It's compliments. If you don't use it, you ain't gonna get no compliment. And our tarragon. Carla tip time! If you don't like tarragon, you can use anything, any kind of herb. Thyme, parsley, sage, whatever the season is. I'm gonna be using the KitchenAid paddle. I don't need to have it at a high speed because I really want it to be nice and smooth. I'm not whipping the butter. I am just sort of mixing all of my ingredients and creaming the butter. Like when you're making cookies. Now, you do it until it comes together. I can give you a number. I can tell you 1 minute. I can tell you 2 minutes. It depends on how warm your butter is. I'm done. You watched me do it from start to finish. It is just that simple. Wow. Look at that. Super simple. So now I'm gonna put this into my butter keeper or butter bell. Do you like room temperature butter? Just put it in there just like that. One of the things that you do with the butter bell, you know you put water in it. So the water is gonna seal the top of the butter and keep it. And boom, it stays like that at room temperature. Now, if you have a lot of mix-ins, you may wanna keep it in the fridge, but it is so safe to sit out for a day or two. Boom. Oh, I love it. And look at that. Oh, it looks so great. Don't mind if I do. A little bread, a little butter. Truth be told, this is how I eat butter. This is so delicious. It will change a dish. You've done the work. Roll this into a log, put it in the freezer, cut it when you need it. Flavor bombs are us. Thank you for watching. I have some butter to eat.